In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your poll quiz or posts on YouTube Studio. So if you had created a poll in YouTube Studio and you'd like to delete it, then let me show you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing is to get to your YouTube Studio, and there are two ways to get or to find your poll that you created. In the first method, you can just go to create here, and then if you click on it and then go to create poll here, from here if you choose posts and scroll down, you should be able to see the polls that you had created. Alternatively, from your YouTube Studio, you can just go to content, and from here choose posts, and from posts you should be able to see your current poll. So to delete it, just go ahead and click on details, and this will open all the details of your poll. Alternatively, if you went on post here, you can also scroll down and you will see your poll that is running currently. Mine is here. So if you want to delete it, just go ahead and click on this ellipsis, and we have this option to delete. Go ahead and click on it, and this will go ahead and remove the post or the poll permanently. So that's how you can delete a poll on your YouTube channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.